Welcome back, future enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the realm of possibilities and uncovering 5 mind-blowing concepts that might shape our future. From cutting-edge technology to groundbreaking ideas, get ready to be amazed. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Tesla Cybertruck. The Cybertruck is constructed with a strong outer shell that prioritizes durability and safety for passengers. Its design features an extremely resilient exoskeleton, and every component is built for exceptional strength and long-lasting performance. The structural skin is made of a highly durable 30x cold-rolled stainless steel, and the vehicle also incorporates Tesla armor glass. In terms of power, the Cybertruck offers not just 1 or 2, but 3 electric motors. The single-motor variant provides rear-wheel drive, while the 2 and 3 motor models offer all-wheel drive capabilities. According to Tesla, the truck can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.5 seconds and has a maximum speed of 110 miles per hour. For increased performance, the dual-motor Cybertruck is said to achieve 0-60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds and has a top speed of 120 miles per hour. Those seeking the ultimate level of performance will find the 3-motor model appealing, as Tesla claims it can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a staggering 2.9 seconds and reach a top speed of 130 miles per hour. Number 2. HeVSTOL ANN2. Vertical and short takeoff and landing ATV machines refer to aircraft that have the capability to take off and land vertically when necessary or convenient. Additionally, they can operate from short airstrips while carrying a relatively higher payload. These machines utilize hybrid propulsion, which enables them to achieve better performance in terms of increased endurance and range. Their design follows an airplane-like architecture, allowing for higher speeds, improved climb characteristics, superior maneuverability, and safer flying conditions. These ATV machines are constructed with a fully carbon fiber structure, providing a lightweight yet sturdy framework. They typically feature 4 comfortable seats, making them suitable for personal mobility, business travel, and transportation operations. In some cases, there may be a high-performance drone version available, also made of fully carbon fiber structure. This version can be controlled remotely or operated autonomously. The range, speed, and climb performance of these HeVSTOL machines surpass average standards due to their design features and advanced automated hybrid electric propulsion system. Number 3. GAC Space Concept. During the 2022 GAC Techno Auto Group event, a new concept vehicle called the GAC Space was unveiled. This autonomous MPV concept is powered by hydrogen and features several unique design elements. One notable feature is the retractable steering wheel, emphasizing the autonomous driving capabilities of the vehicle. The front end of the car showcases a distinct design with a continuous grille and a single LED headlight spanning its width. The vice president of GAC and head of design expressed that they believe interior space and the luxury experience are increasingly important to customers who seek a better quality of life. Finding a balance between practicality and emotional appeal has become a crucial consideration for future designs. As a response to this, the GAC Space concept car was introduced at the event. In addition to the GAC Space, another concept vehicle unveiled at the event was the GAC Barchetta Concept. Further details about the GAC Barchetta Concept are not provided in the given information. Number 4. GAC Barchetta Concept. GAC Group, a Chinese state-owned car manufacturer, has been expanding its operations beyond China and has established service centers in 28 countries. In line with its global ambitions, the company recently announced the opening of a new R&D center in Italy. As part of this push, GAC showcased the Barchetta EV Roadster concept, demonstrating its capabilities. The Barchetta concept was designed by a newly formed team in Italy within an impressive time frame of just 2 months. It boasts a sleek design with an exceptionally low clearance and overall height, achieved through a lightweight body and an innovative battery design inspired by smartphones. The chassis of the car primarily utilizes aluminum, contributing to its lightweight construction. The interior features recycled plastic materials, and bio-wire connections are used instead of mechanical ones, further reducing the car's weight. While the information provided doesn't mention lunar glass or lunar vehicle, it seems these terms may refer to either additional features or concepts associated with GAC Group or the Barchetta concept. Number 5. Hyundai Trailer Drone. The trailer drone is a container transportation system powered by hydrogen, and it operates autonomously. Its intelligent design includes a customized number of hydrogen tanks based on the journey profile, allowing the flexible and efficient drone to achieve a range of over 1,000 kilometers on a single charge. This range is comparable to existing container transportation systems. Hyundai has developed this concept with the goal of enabling diverse applications using the e-bogie technology, which is similar to a subframe that sits beneath each train car. The trailer drone presents a unique and innovative solution for commercial mobility, where a trailer is placed on two e-bogies, enabling it to rotate in a narrower radius compared to a standard trailer. Unlike conventional tractors that are specifically designed for container transportation, the trailer drone offers a versatile platform capable of serving various business applications. When not used with a container trailer, the e-bogie can be utilized in fields such as cargo transportation, construction, firefighting, and rescue operations. This highlights the multi-purpose nature of the trailer drone system. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing content. Until next time, keep dreaming big and embracing the wonders of the future.